What an encounter, what a comeback by the Telugu Titans. Okay, Ashu Malik, talk about his prowess. Of course, he can go on and on. And one thing that attracts me most about him is his consistency.
We already have the mental upper hand on them, so to speak. He did that on his own! Almost!
Red is safe, 1 point.
Oh, yes.
Dabang Delhi needs to win this one, and there'll be playoffs adjacent. Ashu Malik, man, we can only marvel, Paddy.
44 out.
Rough super tackle opportunity. Who comes in? Swagger on point always.
Number 6.
They are celebrating because the man may not have done it as a defender. He does it as a raider.
Number 6 and 9 out.
Here it is, bonus has been given. Naveen knows the importance of this one. He will come back, but no. Only to start with the others.
Bonus point,
Because all out means all in.
1+2, 3 points.
When they've been in the lead at halftime.
Red is safe, 2 points.
Which is not good news necessarily for Dabang Delhi, but I think Ashu Malik may have 2 points here.
Dabang Delhi.
Yes,
Jersey
2
number
points.
7 and 44 out.
Ashu's too canny to get sucked into it though. Oh, Shadlu comes in at the right time. Far too easy for the Haryana Steelers here. Shadlu, the #1 defender of the league. Will they go early or will they wait? They went early. Oh, someone give him the assist. Come on.
Red out.
53 tackle points at a striker of 62 before the game.
Yeah, but except the last 5 games, his average tackle points per game have gone down to 2.8. Ashu Malik seems to be in absolutely no mood to let up this evening. This is his 8th rate point of the night. And this time,
2 points.
he has Sanjay, was it? Listen, 6 people piled onto him. He would have said it under that pile. We wouldn't have heard it. They just handed the Haryana Steelers an all-out. This will be a second. There you go. Bro, they've spent no time between 2 all-outs. What are the Steelers doing? The clock is running down. Less than 10 on the clock now. Oh, far too easy.
Red out. 1 point. Dabang Delhi.
Shadlu, Jaideep and Sanjay. Sanjay goes.
Super tackle, 2 points.
Had no
Haryana
business
Steelers.
doing that. Maybe they're giving him a rest because they think that they're safe. Shadlu gets another one.
Red is safe, 1 point. Haryana Steelers.
1 versus 2 at the moment. Rough super tackle opportunity. Naveen normally does not go back empty-handed in these situations. There, 1, 2. Oh, timing is wrong. You just need to remember, do or die raid is for the raider and not for the defense. He'll come to you. He doesn't have a choice. Goes into the lobbies without a touch. Delhi are celebrating and why not?
Haryana Steelers, all out. 1+2, 3
Hang on.
points. Dabang
This
Delhi.
is the 3rd time that the Haryana Steelers.
Haryana Steelers.
Now they have Shadlu too. Calm down, boys.
Red out. 1 point. Dabang Delhi.
480 kilos on one man. Yeah, because that 1 point, if they get it, is going to be very handy. Ashu Malik is killing them. How do you stop Ashu
Number
Malik?
5 and 3.
Ashu, how? Ashu, wow.
Press has quietly been standing in, towards the end line on the mat. Is this a big one?
Number
How big is
7.
this?
You're also out, please.
You want only 2 touch points. Okay, please. TV umpire.
But they have review. May as well use it. That's #1. #2. Does he have a 3rd on the way?
Okay.
Congratulations to the entire family.
Review successful. Only 2 touch points. Haryana Steelers, number 9 and 7 out. Captain, you have retained your review.
They are preventing the box line. They have Ashu. Haryana Steelers will finally have a point to take from this
Haryana
game.
Steelers.
Being clinical, being precise, and being superior strength to your opponents. Well, Dabang Delhi have been spot on. 44-37 is the scoreline.